Hi guys, it's Hannah and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. So the things you're going to need are a baking sheet, some Pam, measuring cups and measuring spoons, a whisk, a mixing bowl, flour, baking soda, brown and white sugar, butter, eggs, chocolate chips, and last but not least, vanilla. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. So first, you're going to combine 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar with 1 cup of butter. Now you're going to add the eggs and mix them in with this mixture. Next, add your vanilla. Next, dissolve your baking soda in your hot water. Next, add 3 cups of flour. And lastly, add your chocolate chips. Next, you want to spray your pan and put the cookies on the cookie sheet using an ice cream scoop. Now, you want to put your cookies in the oven. Now, these are what the cookies are supposed to look like. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Hannah.